Today, we're going to check out the TOPDON TB6000Pro. Not only is it a smart, user-friendly battery charger, maintainer, and tester, it's actually really fun to use. You can use this combination charger tester as a standalone unit, or download the TB6000Pro app to your smartphone or tablet to access a lot of very smart features. It's packaged very nicely, so it also makes a great gift. To use the charger in standalone mode, simply hook it up, then make your selection of what type of battery you're charging, and we can go through about 6 of them. It says 12 volt small, lithium, and we're back to 12 volt normal. Then double click the main button and it'll go through 9 charging steps to get your battery properly charged, then cycle through steps 8 and 9 to keep it charged without overcharging. Here's a close-up shot of that screen while it's charging. We're charging at 4 amps right now and 12.9 volts. It's on step 4 and the battery's at 35%. Once you've downloaded the app to a smartphone or a tablet, you can access some really cool features. So we'll click on the app, and we still have it plugged in and charging that same battery, and you can see it's charging. If you want to stop that, you can just say stop charging. Here's a graph of what it's going through right now, charging your battery. So we'll stop charging and confirm. And now we have 3 choices here. We can do a smart charge, quick charge, or testing options. Let's pick testing options. So battery test, charging test, or cranking test on a vehicle. We'll pick battery test. And here's the instructions. We'll just say next. Battery type, it's regular flooded, CCA, and 700 cold cranking amps. I already plugged that information in. We'll hit next. And it says the battery needs to be replaced. Battery type, battery standard, rating, state of health is only 11%, state of charge 50%, test value, battery voltage 12.3, and internal resistance is 12.9. You should really only have like 0.02 internal resistance on a new battery. If you go back to the main menu, again you have 3 choices: smart charging, quick charging, or testing options. This time we'll select quick charging. You can set a time and a date to charge a battery. This is the charging mode, or you can put it in manual mode. We're in 12 volt 6 amp normal, so we'll go ahead and start charging that same battery again. And again, here's the graph of what it's doing. We're in step 1. I'm looking at the chargers. Step 2 now. Step 3. And step 4. And again, there's 9 steps that it goes through to charge your battery. This is battery level. It's 25%, charging time, charged power, and charging mode. If we want to stop charging, you just go ahead and click stop, confirm, and confirm. And you're back to the main menu. And one more time, we're back at the main screen. We'll select smart charging. We'll put in the battery information and go ahead and select start. It's pre-testing the battery to see what condition it's in. And again, you'll have the graph, some statistics, and we can view report. This is the condition of the battery before charging and after charging. If we go back, we can watch the graph or stop charging. And we're back at the main menu. The TOPDON TB6000Pro is made of high quality materials, packaged nicely, and is a great tool for a DIY person or a pro. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on a handy, user-friendly charger, maintainer, and tester. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.